Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 9SE, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and choose Security section over here. Following that, you need to tap on App Lock and choose Enable. Then select one of those options, Lock Screen Password or Custom PIN. I will go with Custom PIN only for example, so now I have to enter my new login method and then repeat it. Okay, after that, click on the security question and select one of those, or tap on it and select custom question. Over here, you can type in wherever you wish to. Click on OK to save it, and remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, select Finish, and now you can finally tap on the switchers next to apps that you wish to lock. In my case, App Gallery. So now when I tap on the switcher next to it and click on Home button, then try to access App Gallery, as you can see PIN is now required. If you wish to delete your App Lock, you can always do that by going into the same security settings, entering your custom PIN or login method, and tapping on the same switcher. Then click on Home button, and now it's gone! Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!